want to come out here?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back on the
Lychee cooking. So today we're gonna make fried chicken with buttery sweet sauce.
And for the beverage, we have iced Lychee tea.
That's it. Let's go to the cooking.
First, cut the chicken into small pieces. Then pour the seasoned flour into a bowl. Cut the chicken evenly with the flour. Pour oil into a pan and heat it. Once the oil is hot, fry the chicken until it's golden brown. Next, cut half an onion and slice it, not too thin. Then prepare 3 cloves of garlic, peel them, then chop finely. For the sauce, add 2 tablespoons of margarine into a pan. Wait until the margarine melts. Then add the sliced onion and chopped garlic. Cook until it's fragrant. After that, add 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce,
one tablespoon of oyster sauce,
1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Stir well until everything is combined. Let the sauce cook until slightly caramelized.
add the fried chicken into the sauce. Mix well until the chicken is fully coated. The chicken is ready to be served. For the iced lychee tea,
Pour enough water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, add the tea and let it brew.
add the lychees along with the syrup. Stir well. Prepare a glass filled with ice cubes. Pour the lychee tea into the glass. Your iced lychee tea is ready to serve.
Buttery sauce.
We make it brick by brick. We use a specialty Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to recook.
Yeah!